Hello! In front of me I have Blackview R3 Max and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. To change these straps on your watch, first you need to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch and flip it around. And on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever here. Basically you can pull it to release the strap. To do it, simply grab the pin on the lever and pull it towards the middle of the strap. And once you pull on it, it will release the mechanism. The mechanism works quite simple way. You simply pull on this pin and it hides this pin right here inside. And once the pin is hidden, it will release the mechanism from this hole, basically, which releases the band or other strap. And you can do it on the other side the same way, like this. And here we have our watch without the straps, and here we have our straps. And once you get the new ones and you want to put them back on, you simply grab your watch, grab your strap, you put one end, the end without, rather the end farther from the lever, basically. You put it on one of the holes right here, and then you pull on the lever and to hide the pin, basically, and then align it, release the pin, and it will latch on like that. Same for this one. You put it on one of the holes right there. Sometimes it's a bit more finicky, but you put it in, then pull on the lever to hide the pin, align the strap so it like aligns with the hole on the watch, release the pin, the lever, and it will snap in and it will hold. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.